Hello, this video explains the process after your article has been accepted. Many papers will go through 3 rounds of revise and resubmit. It is an unavoidable part of the process, however frustrating. Try to respond to each resubmission as promptly as you can whilst the material is fresh in your memory. Once a paper is accepted, the Journal Office will prepare the manuscript for publication. You'll be required to check over subsequent drafts of the manuscript, first for copy editing, and finally for layout and content proofing. It is important to check each draft thoroughly, as mistakes can and do happen. I had a paper published with an annoying error in one of the figure headings, for example. But remember that you are only allowed to correct minor errors at this stage, for example, typos. Your final tasks are to archive your article and to publicize it. Once your article has been accepted, you can make your work open access using the institutional repository Open Research Exeter without the need to pay open access charges. This is referred to as self-archiving or green open access. Sharing your outputs in ORE can increase the visibility of your research and is an obligatory requirement if you have been employed by the university during your research. Unless you are publishing in a fully open access journal or one with a fully open access option, you will normally only be allowed to upload the accepted manuscript following peer review and corrections, but not the final published PDF. If in doubt, check with the publisher or use the Sherpa guidelines shown on the screen. Uploading to ORE must also meet the open access requirements of the funders of your research. Sometimes the publisher specifies a period of time before you can upload in an institutional repository, which is known as an embargo. Make sure you also share your article with your networks, including network sites like academia.edu, ResearchGate, LinkedIn. If you use Twitter, tweet a link to your article, remembering to include the @usernames of relevant academics or institutions. Add a tagline to your email signature with a hyperlink to your article. All these actions will increase the visibility of your research. I recently received an invitation to contribute to a book chapter, for example, through ResearchGate. And of course, don't forget to celebrate your big achievement, because before you know it, you'll be probably getting stuck into your next research project or publication. Thank you for listening.